the branding. So, okay, let me just say costing, okay, or how you pay for this thing, all right? For example, okay, so you pay for each register, you pay upfront for it, okay? If you go to the My Fees Due button, it would show you a list of any companies that you've added that haven't yet been paid for, right? But if you and if you go to My Account, you would see past credits purchased, credits used, and how many are left. And you get a listing here of what's been done. I need to go to a different user's account so that I can show you this. So let me just go and do this again. Okay, let me log in as that one that we set up earlier. Sorry, just give me a moment to find that email where, okay, test 2, that's what I called it. Okay, so if I let me add a company, okay, test company, and say yes, I want to use that. Then you'll see that company comes up with a to pay, okay, because I don't have any credits. I could go in and I could add another company. Right, so I can keep on adding companies. So I can add them all up front, and these will just come up as to pay. I can't access them. Okay, I can only access one that's been paid or is one of the demo companies. When I want to pay, I go to My Fees Due, and it will list the companies that need payment for, and it will tell me how many credits I need here. But I can buy more credits. Okay, I can prepay credits up front, and you'll notice that 100 Rand is the normal price, and if I keep on adding, they're going up by 100 Rand a time. Okay, I think when I get to 20, okay, so I can type in that number as well, 20. Okay, when I get to 21, no, 25. Must be 25. So I change it to 26, and the price drops. Okay, when I get to 26, I'm getting a 10% discount. If I get to 50, 51, I'm getting I think maybe it's 15% discount. Okay, so as the number goes up, the discount increases. If I get to 200, that would be 13,000 Rand. But we have an option that is called the unlimited option. And unlimited is 9,000 Rand for as many companies as you want. So we have one user, our biggest user on the system has got 899 companies. And we got a lot of others who in the hundreds, well, they're hundreds of users and they've got hundreds of companies. So there are thousands of companies on the system. But your pricing drops as you go up in number, but we have a maximum of 9,000 Rand. And if you click on this unlimited option, you'll see it says 9,000. Okay, so that would give you an unlimited number of companies. For the tax shop franchisees that are here, you've got a special deal through your head office and everything, so you pay a bit less than that. But yeah, so you can if you've only got a few companies, you just pay the $100. If you've got a larger number of companies, then the $9,000 for the year would be the better option for you. Right. If you're on the unlimited option, then you get some added features. Again,